everybody, it's Kim of Jolie Noire. Thank you so much for tuning into our channel today. On our channel, we typically post content that's about lifestyle, beauty, and everything in between. But more specifically, our leisure wear line, Jolie Noire. If you think that's content you'd like to see on a continual basis, please think about hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll never miss a video of ours. On today's video, I'm showing you guys how I go from straight hair to curly hair using the Xtreme Wet Line Gel. So for the first step, what I do is I do my pre-poo, and my pre-poo consists of aloe vera gel, olive oil, and avocado oil. So I have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections, and so I'm just going to kind of lightly detangle my hair just so that I can easily get the aloe vera gel through my hair. I've been straight for 2 weeks now. I was going to go ahead and wash my hair last week, but I didn't feel like it, so I just kind of oiled my scalp with Jamaican black castor oil and lavender oil just to kind of moisturize my hair because it was getting really dry. The hair color that I used, it's super drying. The way that I did my hair last time, if you guys saw that video, I didn't put any moisturizer or anything in my hair so that it could have like the body and the bounce and everything like that. But coloring it and not putting any moisturizer in it, I think for my hair, that was very drying. So now that I'm done putting the pre-poo in my hair, I'm just gonna let it sit in there for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll wash it out. What I'm going to wash my hair with, this is my first time using this, is the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 2. It's a clarifying shampoo. Then I'm going to condition my hair with this Dark and Lovely Moisture Rich Conditioner. It's out of a box that I used to color my hair like some time ago. I kind of collect these because sometimes I don't need all of the conditioners in the box. I need more conditioners than I need, or need more colors than I need conditioners. This right here, these pieces here, I did what's called a silkener on my hair when I was wearing my wigs. And so that's why that's straight, but everything else is looking good. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that deep conditioner in my hair. I am using the HAIRFINITY Strengthening Amino Mask. I really love this mask. I've been using it about 2 months now, and I really love it. It claims to lessen breakage by 90% on the first use, and I gotta say that it really kind of does what it claims to do. My hair is really damage prone because it's so fine, and so with the way that I handle my hair, I have to handle it with care, but also I need to use products that's going to help it to not break so much, so it really helps with that. sit under this for about 15-20 minutes, and I'll probably switch over to my heat cap. If not, then I'll go the full 30-45 minutes. I have cleaned my hair, I've deep conditioned and done my hot oil treatment on my hair, and so now I'm taking it down so that I can style it. It's so soft. I am going to do that hot oil treatment more often. I haven't done a hot oil treatment in years. My leave-in that I'm using is the HAIRFINITY leave-in. I am going to use this detangler. It's kind of a mixture between a cream. I'm gonna use this one too. They're both leave-ins. This is actually, I'm sorry, the detangler. This is the Extra Moisture Detangler by Shea Moisture. And then I have a Shea Moisture silicone-free leave-in treatment. So this is kind of like a leave-in. So these two are more like than these two. And they're all kind of on the creamy side. This is Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to oil my scalp before I put any of the products in there. And then finally, the last two products that I'll put in. This one is to help my curls. Though I'm not gonna do anything like a ponytail or anything, I do wanna use a little bit of this. And then this oil to, you know, seal everything in. It's a lot of creams. I know for my hair it's not very thick, but like I said, I just really want it to be very moisturized. Just got this in because I've been looking at different YouTube videos. I heard about this before the pandemic started and everything, and how great it is. It's the Extreme Professional Gel. So I've been hearing a lot about this gel, and it has aloe vera. It's alcohol free, and it says that it has a fresh smell and no residue. I don't normally put gel in my hair during this time because I'm not really going anywhere, and so it doesn't make sense to use product or kind of gunk my hair up because my hair gets itchy, my scalp gets itchy quicker and all of that stuff, so it just really doesn't make sense to do that. But I wanted to try it out and see, because I don't really do wash and goes either, because my hair is not super thick and things like that, and I don't get the results that, you know, I see other people get, so I just haven't wanted to really do them. Other products that I'm gonna use, I do have just a bit of this HAIRFINITY oil left, so I'm gonna use this. It is it's the Nourishing Botanical Oil. And I like this, but I don't think I'll get it again because I really didn't see a whole lot of benefits in it, like I see with their deep conditioner and their leave-in conditioner. So I may not get this again, but I'm gonna use this today. Then I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. This can be a conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna use this as a leave-in conditioner. I'm also gonna use the coconut curls again, and then this coconut oil here, and of course, water. It is done. I actually like the gel a whole lot. It's very smooth. It's better in the way that than Eco Styler gel, because I've been using Eco Styler gel for probably 15 years now. But the Extreme Wet Line gel, I like it better because of the consistency. It has a little bit better kind of slip. It seems like it's more moisturizing than the Eco Styler gel. I can't wait till this dries. I'm probably gonna do a blow dryer or something like that. It's very defined, so pretty. So I hope that it comes out well. So like I said, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, even so this is a surprise to me. And so I don't know how it's gonna turn out when it's dry. I'm sure it's gonna shrink up a lot more than it is now. All right guys, so it is dry, my hair is dry. This is how it looks. It's very pretty, has lots of texture. I do wish that my hair was fuller to give a much thicker appearance, but once I start picking it out, it will get bigger. But it's just not, you know, I can't just go with it like this. And it's, you know, curlier state. So it's gonna get frizzier, which my hair kind of needs a little frizz to help it to look, you know, fuller and, you know, have a little bit more going on to it. What I'm going to first do, I'm gonna take this Frizz Ease. It says extra strength serum. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand. So this is about half a pump. I'm gonna really get it all over my hand and just kind of work it in my hair. A lot of girls have said, and by the way, my hair is 100% dry. A lot of girls have said that they don't feel crunchy hair when they use the Extreme Wet Line, but my hair is a little crunchy. One thing that I really do like is that my hair has some shake. It has some movement to it, which is really cool. But I don't know, because in the past, that's gotten lost when I pick at it and, you know, the roots get swollen and everything. It kind of gets lost. So we're gonna see now. Okay, so guys, this is it. I think it's gonna get a bit bigger, you know, as the days go by. Hopefully it does. But these pieces right here, since they are kind of straight from when I did the Silkner, what I'm gonna do is kind of do a style because I don't really like it like this. So what I'm gonna do, have a nice little part right here, is take this hair and kind of do a little twisty kind of situation. Let's stop about right here. I'm gonna take a bobby pin. I'm gonna just pin this back. And yeah, that looks a little bit better as far as the style goes, to help it to look styled. So I'm just gonna kind of play with this here. Looks like it's trying to get a bit bigger. But yeah, so this, I guess these are the final end results. It has lots of shake to it. All in all, I do like the Extreme styling gel, the Wet Line gel. I would like it for, I know for my buns, because I like aloe vera gel in my hair anyways. It has a nice consistency. It's not weighed down. It, you know, a little crunchy at first, but as I've played in it, it's gotten a little bit softer. And so I do like that. But yeah, I like it. You guys comment down below and let me know if you like it. It's gonna take some getting used to for sure, because I'm just not used to seeing myself with curly hair in this way. So you guys, like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like videos like this, please go ahead and comment down below and let us know that you like videos like this. Then we can bring you more. We can experiment with our hair a little bit more and you know, get out of our comfort zones a little bit. So yeah, let us know down below what other contents. We will be bringing more fashion videos. We have new products on the site right now, so you guys can go check those out at www.joliexnoire.com. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you for the love and the support of our business, especially during the pandemic. We thank you guys so much. We can't say thank you enough. Talk to you guys later. Bye.